The emotional freedom technique is also known as a psychological acupressure technique, which is used to relieve pain and emotional distress. It is often used to help people deal with anxiety and stress by restoring the body's energy. Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Prerna Kohli, a clinical psychologist and the founder of Mind Tribe. At Mind Tribe, we provide affordable counseling, support groups, communities, workshops, and e-learning for mental health. Over the next few minutes, I will be guiding you through the emotional freedom technique. Please ensure that you're neither driving nor operating any form of machinery while you are listening and following this technique. Sit comfortably on a mat with your legs folded. Turn off all possible distractions. It is recommended to use headphones for an immersive experience. Loosen any tight or restrictive clothes. Remember, this is your time, so be as comfortable as possible. Try your best to follow the trail of my voice. Let's begin by identifying the problem or reason for the stress you would like to focus on. Think about that particular stressor that makes you feel anxious. Now, with the problem or situation in mind, identify all the emotions attached to it. Take a moment to truly understand how the situation makes you feel. Gently acknowledge these emotions. Ask yourself how you feel about it right now. Now rate the intensity of these emotions and stress on a scale of 0 to 10. Zero being the lowest and 10 being the highest. If you feel overwhelmed, gently remind yourself of the true purpose of following this technique. Now we will formulate a setup statement. Think about the problem that you want to deal with, acknowledge it, and follow it with a positive, unconditional affirmation that helps you accept yourself despite the problem. Now, using 4 fingers on one hand, press the outer edge of your other hand, the side of your little finger. Press firmly yet with gentle pressure. I would like you to repeat this setup statement 3 times aloud while stimuli is pressing the edge of your hand. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Breathe out. Acknowledge the thoughts that come to your mind. Now tap between your eyebrows using the same pressure with the 4 fingers. Simultaneously repeat the setup statement 3 times. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Now move towards the side of your eyes, near your temple. Repeat the setup statement thrice as you gently tap the area with 4 fingers. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Breathe out. Next, we apply gentle pressure under the eye while repeating the setup statement thrice. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Move the fingers under your nose and tap with your fingers. Repeat the setup statement 3 times. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Acknowledge all your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Now tap your chin as you repeat the setup statement thrice. This setup statement is a positive, unconditional affirmation that you have said to yourself. Now move the fingers under your nose and tap with your fingers. Repeat the setup statement 3 times. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Acknowledge all your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Now tap your chin as you repeat the setup statement thrice. Truly resonate with the words as you say them. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Breathe out. As you move forward, you can feel yourself becoming entirely stress-free. Next, gently tap your collarbone with your fingers. Repeat the statement thrice. Breathe in, hold, breathe out all the negative feelings as if they were operating from your body. For the final tapping, place your fingers under your arm and apply gentle pressure. Repeat the setup affirmation out aloud 3 times. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. You will feel liberated, and now you have the strength to face the problems. This is Dr. Prerna Kohli. I thank you so much for listening and following this technique. Do follow this technique as and when you feel anxious about a stressor. Thank you and take care.